Did you know you can legally watch thousands of movies and TV shows without paying for Netflix, Disney Plus, or any other subscription? One of the best platforms for free streaming in 2026 is Plex, and many people still don't realize just how much content it offers at no cost. In this video, I'll show you how to watch free movies on Plex, what devices support it, and why it's become one of the best free streaming services available today. Let's get started. The first thing you should know is that Plex is completely legal. Unlike unofficial streaming websites, Plex has licensing agreements that allow it to offer thousands of movies, TV shows, documentaries, and live TV channels for free. Instead of charging a monthly subscription, the platform is supported by advertisements, similar to traditional television. Getting started is incredibly easy. Simply visit the Plex website or download the Plex app on your preferred device. It's available for Android, iPhone, smart TVs, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, Android TV, game consoles, and web browsers. While creating a free account isn't always required, signing in allows you to save your watch list, continue watching across devices, and receive personalized recommendations. Once you're inside the app, head to the Movies and TV section. There you'll find thousands of titles organized by categories like action, comedy, drama, horror, family, romance, documentaries, and many more. The catalog changes regularly, so new movies and shows are added while others rotate out as licensing agreements change. One of Plex's biggest advantages is its recommendation system. As you watch more content, the platform begins suggesting movies and shows based on your viewing habits, making it much easier to discover something you'll actually enjoy. Beyond on-demand movies, Plex also offers hundreds of live TV channels completely free. Depending on your country, you can watch news, sports highlights, entertainment, cooking, reality shows, classic television, kids programming, and much more without paying a subscription. Another feature that makes Plex unique is that it combines free streaming with personal media management. If you have your own collection of movies, TV shows, music, or photos stored on a computer or external hard drive, you can create your own Plex media server and stream that content to virtually any device in your home, or even remotely while traveling. Video quality is another strong point. Many movies are available in full HD, and supported devices can automatically adjust streaming quality based on your internet connection to provide smooth playback with minimal buffering. Of course, there are a few limitations. Since Plex is ad-supported, you'll see occasional commercial breaks while watching free content. Also, the available movie library varies by region because licensing agreements differ from country to country. This means some titles available in one country may not appear in another. So, is Plex worth using in 2026? Absolutely. If you're looking for a completely legal way to watch free movies, TV shows, and live television without paying a monthly subscription, Plex remains one of the best options available. Its huge content library, wide device compatibility, excellent streaming quality, and personal media server features make it stand out from most free streaming platforms. Overall, Plex is an excellent choice for anyone who wants high-quality entertainment without the monthly cost of traditional streaming services. Have you tried Plex yet? What's your favorite free streaming platform in 2026? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more streaming tips, app reviews, and tech guides.